What's up, guys? I know it's been a while, but today we're gonna be working on the SI. And you know, it was a good day. I was gonna go work on the car with my boy. And look at this. Some bum ass broke people stole my front lip. Like, what the fuck? Like, I'm mad. And I didn't even notice. Because, you know, I haven't worked in the car in a minute. It was sitting here. So I don't even really exactly know when it was stolen. It's been sitting for like 3-4 weeks. I'm mad. Like, today was gonna be a good day. It still is. Still gonna go work on the car. But, you know, just those things. When you can't afford, like, you're gonna steal somebody's lip. That lip was like not even $200. Like, you're that broke that you gotta steal somebody's, what I pay, $150 lip? Like, come on. But whatever, let's continue with the day. We're gonna go work on this car. All right, so we have the car jacked up, got the wheels off. I'm gonna start working on it. It is super hot. Put a towel here so I can stop the sweat. But I'm gonna take the air out the struts so we can get those out and put the stock arms in. So we got the stock lower control arm, the new stock size tie rod, and the stock strut back in. Took out the height sensor. Just gotta take the wire out. There's the extended, the strut. And then yeah, let's go get to the other side. Look how high this is. Gap is huge. You can see here if you want to compare stock versus the extended. So basically this is a 1-inch plate that's extended out opposed to the stock one. And then the tie rod obviously is just an extended tie rod. An extended tie rod like that. And that's extended an inch or inch and a half, I don't remember. Back, I already took off so there's the height sensor for the air suspension. It's been here, what? 4 years now, the suspension. So there's the bracket that had going to the height sensor arm. So I unbolted it from there because the bracket, the bolt that goes on there is seized in there. And I also have this screw, oops, that screw there that's holding the sensor. You see one of the screws broke. Like I said, this car has been bagged now 4 years or so. And it was up north, so I had salt, snow, all that stuff. So we're working on getting that screw off. I'm gonna try to break it, I think, at this point. Just gotta find out how, because I can't put a grinder there. But we have the harness out for the height sensors. Got both front harnesses and this harness out, so I'm just missing the right rear sensor. I already got the main harness out for the air suspension. We already installed the front struts and the new control arm, the new tie rod, everything. Just missing the rear springs over here. I also have new stock camber arms, so it's gonna be completely stock suspension. And it's hot and I'm tired. So try to get this done and then we'll get this car back to stock. So day 2, I'm putting the car back to stock. I have the RGB stuff for the headlight and the underglow. Management harness is out, struts are out. That's the RGB lights for under. So only thing I'm missing to take out is the headlights that are gonna get refinished because you can see they're beat. They're gonna be used for something. And that's it. And I'm gonna put an OEM trunk on this because I'm gonna sell this one. I'm gonna see if somebody wants to swap for an OEM one, because I'm gonna put this car, you know, completely back to stock. And I'm gonna take the cluster face out and that radio out and put the stock one back in because I do have the stock one. But yeah, pretty much it. I have the stock wheels over there, cleaned them up, so I gotta, you know, just finish getting that good. Yeah. It's getting there. So there we go. We got it back on stock suspension. Looks so weird. Just gotta get it aligned because the toe is, you can see it's off there. I try to eyeball it as much, but I'm not gonna lift it back up. I'll just take it tomorrow to get aligned in the morning. So there we go. We got the black Civic back to stock. Basically, I'll take out everything. Oh, well, everything but the music. The music I'm gonna take out another day. But stay tuned because I do have something in store for all the parts that I did take out.